under the weather. Under the weather means feeling slightly sick or unwell. Let's look at some example sentences. I won't come to work today because I'm feeling under the weather. We had to cancel our dinner plans because Jim is feeling a bit under the weather. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. She stayed home from school today because she didn't feel very well. She stayed home from school today because she was a little under the weather. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.